Hi, I'm Clay Carlino, and I am not a special effects wizard, but I am planning an effect for my next video, and I think it's going to be pretty special. In continuing my theme of my live streams of doing games that have kind of a horror theme, I'm going to be playing Halloween for the Atari 2600. So I've decided to spice up the video by creating this. This is my blood hat. You can see that it's a normal hat, which I have attached this hose to. I didn't even have to cut a hole. I just kind of worked with the weave until it spread out enough to put the bottom piece through and screw this cap on. This hose goes up here, and you see I have it supported on my ceiling, and it goes to this laundry detergent bottle, which I have clamped to my multi-ladder. What this is going to do is every time I get killed in the game, I'm going to have an assistant press this button, which should dispense blood down through the hose into the hat. And you see I've created some vents at the front. So ideally, I should get blood running down my face, sort of like that disturbing scene with the nurse in Silent Hill. I've loaded the bottle with some of the reject experiments of fake blood when I was trying to make fake blood last week. I filtered them so that they didn't have any chunks, and I watered it down a little bit so that it'll flow freely. So let's just see how well this is going to work. There we go. Oh, here we go. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah. So, oh, that's disgusting. You see why this is the reject blood. It's not really a good blood color, but it'll work. Right now, it is Saturday, October 27th. I'm planning on live streaming the video that I'm going to use this later on tonight. If you happen to catch this before that happens, keep your eyes open if you want to catch it in real time. And if you actually want to see it later, it will be on this channel. So look for my live stream of Halloween for the Atari 2600. Now you know, you probably should be afraid to watch my upcoming live stream. This is Clay Carlino telling you to be brave. Yay?